Hello again. We are announcing our winner for our bat competition is Christina from Germany. She sent in an adorable picture with 3 bats. She used different Halloween fabrics, so it's just fun to see what creativity our customers can put into just a simple little bat pattern. We'd like to extend this available bat pattern for free on our website, so come and check it out. You can download it for free through the month of October. And we're going to do a second competition for those that procrastinate like me. We're trying to get it done by Halloween or a week before Halloween. Go ahead and work on it, get it done, submit your picture, and you'll go into a drawing for a second download to be given away. It's a great value, so come and check it out. And of course, you can just buy the book. It's just full of adorable patterns with all of, the full pattern in their picture tutorial. We have video tutorials for you also. These are gorgeous patterns. And the book is a great value where you get 12 of these beautiful patterns. So come check it out on our website. We'd love to extend our little competition so someone else can have the chance of winning this book.